I'm going to show you how you can add an image to a Screenflow document that already exists. So I just recorded this. I'm going to stop the recording now. Okay, now you can see on the screen the recording I just completed. And you can see here I've got this file right here is the video for my camera as well as the audio. I'm going to go ahead and detach the audio. Just keep that clean. Now I've got 3 separate files. I've got the video file from my camera right here. I've got the audio, and I've got the screen recording. Now, how do you add an image to that? Well, there's a couple different ways to do it. Let me move this over to the side. I'm going to move this to my desktop. So you can see my desktop here. I've got an image right here. So 2 ways you can do this. One, you can go over to this last tab for your media library and drag that image and add it there. You can add a lot of things in there at the same time if you wanted to. And you can use this if you want to zoom in and out and see more of them. Or click here and you can see the different images there or different attributes there. So the other way you can do it is you can just take it and drag it right in. So take this and then just drag it, right over here. But you want to add it in the beginning. So what I would do is take it, and a lot of times you've got to make room for things. So I highlight this, move it down, and then move this one over. And then highlight these and move them over like this. So if you want to have this fade in and out, you can do a right click. Let's do add a starting transition. So watch this. That faded in. I want that fade to be a little longer, so I'm going to extend it. Here we go. And there's the fade. And then I want it to fade into this image. So I'm just going to put it on top of, right? You can see I layer it right there, just drag it over, and that'll make a transition automatically. So let's watch this transition fade in, and then it'll move over to this other image. I'm going to move these out of the way for now. Here we go. Fade in, and then transition to that image. There we go. And if you want to add these over here, let's see what this looks like. All right, so I'm going to show you how you. Now, one issue I have here, I just noticed, is this is below here, so it's in the wrong order. So I need to move these. So I'm going to take these 2 right here. I've got my layers in the wrong order. Move them down, move this one down, and move this one up. So now that'll be on top of the window now. Let's do this. All right, so I'm going to show you how you can add an image. All right, so that's how we want it to look. We're going to fade in, and then we're going to transition into the video. All right, so I'm going to show you how you can add. And at the very end of this, if you wanted that image to go at the end, you could copy it using Command or Control C. And then you can go over here with your red line and then paste it. And then you can move it up here. And then over at the end here, it'll fade out. There you go. If you want it to fade at the very end, you can do add an ending transition. So here's the end of our video. Fade in and fade out. And that is how you add an image to a Screenflow document and add transitions to fade it in and fade it out.